Welcome to Matrix Uploaded. Guys, in this segment, we're dealing with rounding off. When I talk of rounding off, I know that your minds quickly tap into decimals. No, I'm not yet there. Rounding off, but still whole numbers, I'll sometimes mix with decimals. But rounding off, if we look at the slide, we're talking of, firstly, rounding off to the nearest 10. These guys are happy. I can feel it. To the nearest 10. You know that this is our baby. And to the nearest 100. Yeah. Now, good. Let's come to the examples. If you, on this example here, 1570, we're rounding off to the nearest 10. Guys, I know that most of you will see this as 1570. The 10th digit, okay, is 7 and then we have 0. To the nearest 10, it's already seated at 70. So you can just say, of course, to the nearest 10, it stays like 1570. But look at my method here. I first split this into 2. I split 1500, which is 1500. Now, these zeros, the place of these zeros will be this 70. If I take this 70 out, I'll have 0, 0. Then I say plus something. And when I go like 1500 plus 70, I must get that value. Look, 70 is already seated at to the nearest 10. So leave it there. And then you have this not changing. Okay, let's look at the second example. 1571. Still, you have 1 here. The 10th digit, 7, and then you have 1 there. So this is less than 75. Yes, if it was like 75 and up, then we would take it to 80. But what I did here, 1500 plus 71. This 0, the place of these zeros will be taken by 71. And when I round off, I'm rounding 71 to the nearest 10. 71 becomes 70. And then stays 1570. That's what I'm doing. Don't worry about my method. You have your own way of thinking. Okay. I'm just introducing this for in case you're stuck. This is easy. Just split into 2, then you get there. Cool. Then, see, 1575. Now you see this is 75. Okay? Now it can be taken to the nearest. Let's see. 1500 plus 75. Round off 75 to the nearest 10. 75 will get 80. Now when you add 80 to 1005, you get that, 1580. You're still there. 99. I like this. 99. You go 0 plus 99. Remember, 99 will take the whole thing. To the nearest, 99 to the nearest 10 will be 100, which stays 100. It means 99. You can quickly say 99 goes to 100 quickly. You don't have to show this step here. Rounding off, you move from this to the answer. Okay, I'm just showing how it goes. Cool. 1599. Split it up. 1500 plus 99. 99 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 100. And 1500 plus 100 is 1006. You can easily see there. 1599. This is close to 600. Put 600 straight away. 1600. Good. Now, rounding off to the nearest 100. Guys, look, I'm increasing my 10. I go to 100. Now, you need to be careful when you split those or that number into 2 numbers. Look at this. 157 to the nearest 100. Where do I go? I take the whole thing 1000 because I need 100. This is the 100th unit. So I take the whole of 570. And 570 to the nearest 100 will be 600. 570, you go to the nearest 100 is 600 because it's already 5 there. It's already 500. Then you can go one step up of 100, which is 600. Goes to 1600 to the nearest 100. Let's look at this. 45 obviously is less than 50. And then to the nearest 100, split that as 5, or as 5, 45. Then I'm looking at 45 here. I'm saying to the nearest 100. 45 is less than, I keep it as 500, then I get 1,500. 2050, split it up to the nearest 100. So you go like plus 50. You go 2000 plus 100. To the nearest 100 is already 50. Take it up, then you get that. Okay. Now, we have 2100. Okay, that was to the nearest 100. Do this to the nearest 100. Just work this in your heart. Then you go like 999 goes to the nearest 100, which is will be 8,000 there. That will give you 4,000 plus 8,000, 5,000. Maybe my method is not clear to you, but I'm trying to show how you can, how the things came about by splitting into two. Cool. Let's carry on and looking out. In this case, guys, I'm going to talk of estimating by rounding off. We're not on the correct answer, but let's say in life you're dealing with like 99, we say 99 plus 20. You can do your rounding off like it's approximately this number. You're not getting an exact number. Okay? Now, in life, you know that we're dealing with those. You say, yeah, but that number can be like so much. Let's look at this. 31 plus 87. By rounding off, round off to the nearest 10 and estimate the answer. Okay, let's go. If we're rounding off to the nearest 10, 31 will be 30, 87 will be 90, and then this is approximately 120. And 120 is not actually 31 plus 87. In real life, guys, you know that, okay, we give you the numbers. You're not sure, you don't have a calculator, but you say approximately this. We have that in real life. So stick to that. Meet you in the next lesson.